Hey guys, how's it going? Cold morning here today. It's 15 degrees. I don't know what it is by you. I know some places up in Canada it was like negative 35 or something. So, but anyway, what do I got? I got a 2015. Yeah, 2015 GMC Yukon XL. It's a Suburban, basically. Never experienced this before. I've heard of this. Never experienced this before. Customer's complaint: crank, no start. Okay. Let's see what it does. All right. All right, so obviously we got a crank no start. So when I got my scanner and I hooked my scanner up, and when I plugged in the little pod into the DLC, all of a sudden I was like, okay, check this out. Let's see if you can see what's wrong. All right. You notice something? What's that? That's a brake pedal. Where's the gas pedal? There's the gas pedal. Right there. This thing had the gas pedal delete option. So, the battery was kind of weak. Let's see if it'll actually start. There you go. Things happen. What are you going to do? I've never experienced that in my life before. But like I said, I've heard of it. I've actually seen a video on YouTube. No, actually it was on Facebook. I saw like a short video where somebody showed that a car got towed in. Well, guess what? This got towed in for that. Let's see. 108. What's the mileage on this thing actually? That's not even due for an oil change yet. So, not sure what happened, but somebody pulled the floor mat out, stuck it back in. Maybe they were just vacuuming it out. I don't know. But yeah, so strange things. They do happen. That's an oddball. You might be questioning yourself, why didn't it start? Why didn't it start and just, rev up? Well, the reason it didn't start is because if you hold your foot to the floor, it puts it into some vehicles, or some manufacturers call it clear flood, meaning the engine got flooded. So you put your foot to the floor, and what happens is it shuts off the injectors. So this way it won't put fuel into the system, and it'll allow you to crank it to hopefully clear out any fuel that might have been built up in a cylinder. Clear flood. Back on old cars, when you had chokes and carburetors or chokes and stuff like that, they were notorious for flooding out. And then you would have to hold your foot to the floor, jam the choke open, and try to get it to clear out. So this does that automatically when you hold your foot to the floor. It doesn't matter if it's a drive-by-wire, which is what this is. What's drive-by-wire? Drive-by-wire is the gas pedal is not connected to anything other than an electrical connection, which goes to the PCM, which sends a signal out to the throttle body. So there's no actual cable. Then you have a drive-by cable, which has a cable going from the pedal directly to the throttle body. I prefer cable. The reason I prefer cable, you get better throttle response, in my personal opinion. I think you've seen them. They make those pedal responders or pedal enhancers, whatever it is. It basically tricks the computer into thinking you're doing one thing with the pedal, like you're going so much with the pedal, and it manipulates the throttle body. Like you could go foot to the floor with the throttle, with the pedal, and the throttle body will do this, slowly open up. If you have a cable, you put your foot to the floor with the gas pedal, the throttle blade goes whoop, full tilt. It doesn't do that on this. Also, what can happen is you go foot to the floor if it detects, I don't know, temperature's not right or whatever, it's just not happy, and it's like, okay, we want to meet emission standards or whatever. Instead of going from closed, say that's fully open, it may just go like this, and then as you're going down the road, it may slowly open up completely. So they do that to save parts too. So just think about it. But anyway, so foot to the floor, clear flood. That's why it wouldn't start. customer, give it back to them. All right, so that's it. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. Excuse me, indigestion today. Hope you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.